Hello friends, welcome to my channel called FW Manufacturing. Today I bought lecture number 9, which is labeling review, carried out by the WHO PQ team. So my friends, I am going to cover this lecture mainly into 3 steps. The first step, when it's come to the labeling review, it means the WHO PQ technical team, they are going to review those information which is been displayed to the customer. I mean, whatever the information or the manufacturer, whatever they claim on the medical device in terms of labeling, I mean whatever the label which they paste, okay, those information will be clearly zoom out by the WHO PQ team and they will assess as per the standards. So in the first step, my WHO PQ team, they will carry out the labeling review covering the 4 stages. The first stage is the pre-submission form submission. The second related to product dossier. Third stage is the performance evaluation. The fourth stage is the site inspection carried out by the WHO PQ team. When all of these 4 criteria are done, so in this 4 criteria, the second point is much more focused towards the IFU, which is instruction for use, or the kit insert. So WHO PQ team, they are much more interested towards the IFU because this IFU is the backbone of any medical device. So my friends, I have already bought the lecture on how to draft IFU, which I am going to share my link in my description below. So you guys can visit my old video and can check out how I draft IFU. So I am not going to talk about the IFU in detail, ratherly I am going to tell out to you कि WHO PQ team IFU के अंदर क्या-क्या देखते हैं. For example, IFU का intended use क्या है, specimen type क्या है, sample volumes क्या है, intended target population क्या है, and so many more things. So they will assess about the clarity of the IFU, the consistency, the formats, the technical contents, the easiness of IFU, and many more. When this has been done, at the last, in the third step, this WHO PQ team, they will let us know the manufacturer as to or on which area they need to amend their labeling information before getting it as a PQ listed product. So WHO team, they will give the recommendation and the manufacturer are going to address those comments in the labeling review, and finally my product will be PQ listed. So I hope you guys have much enjoyed my today's lecture. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Take care.